I'm gonna watch, dude. I'm gonna trade him hard. I'm gonna trade him hats. Watch. Hey, man, where'd you go? You still? Oh, hey, you want to do me a favor?
What?
I really like hard hats. If you could trade me headgears, dude, that'd be awesome, dude. And I'll even give you. Yes, that's awesome.
Knock him out!
Knock him the fuck out.
Uh,
Oh shit, I just got shot.
Alright.
I will shoot you.
Shit. Holy
You're gonna shoot me? I don't even have a weapon.
Go downstairs, go
We
downstairs.
don't hit.
Oh, okay. Hey, there's a green shirt here. Can you do me a favor? It says I'm bleeding and I can't bandage myself. Can you tear that shirt and bandage me up? Please? Please. It says I'm bleeding. I'm losing color.
We're being sprayed down by like 8 people.
And it's not letting me bandage myself.
No, that's unlimited ammo.
Man,
No, that's
I got
it's
banged.
impossible to do unlimited ammo glitch now. I'm trying to find out
No,
where they are.
it's not. It's not.
Yeah, dude.
You're
Yeah,
just
dude.
making me nervous with your gun
No,
still
it's
up.
not, dude.
They repatch that shit so quick.
Oh.
These companies get paid
Oh.
to give
Yeah.
hacks
Oh, I see him.
out.
I see him.
I'm
There's
gonna
only one
rip
guy
the
out
shirt
there
and
who's
see if I can bandage myself. I don't know, it's not. It says I'm bleeding. I don't know, it's weird.
Mute your mic.
Oh, it's-
This guy's really.
Yeah, it's not letting me. I don't know why it's not letting me bandage myself.
User joined your
Here,
channel.
Oh, I can't
can you
switch
take these
people
and bandage me,
channels
please?
Anymore. Thanks a lot. That's nice.
Holy shit, dude.
You alright?
This is insane.
He can't aim for shit.
I don't think so.
They hit me as shit.
You don't think?
I don't like being trolled.
Oh, you don't like being trolled.
Damn. But I'm not a murderer either.
Ah.
But I will defend myself.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot me!
I won't.
I don't have nothing. I'm naked.
I wouldn't shoot you.
Ow! You're a good shot. Oh, fucking noobs, dude.